Alright, welcome back to P60 Hotshot Adventures. We are working on the 6.0 today. I had basically some really slow cranking, like a dead battery. So I was running it for a while. My voltmeter inside was showing 13.7, 13.8, whatever. So I checked, here with the multimeter, had 13.8. Came over here, ground to the post here, 13.8. Checked here on this side, which is also the one that goes to the starter. Checked here, 12.9. Checked here at the wire from the other side, 13.8. So the power is not going into here. So we're going to try a different terminal and see if that resolves it. Alright, I know it's loud, but got her going here. $14.12 there. Over here, 14.7. That is because there's a lot of drop. It's like a welding wire, the original factory wire had a problem. But, yep, the new terminal so far was the answer. Fired right up, as it usually does. So cranked like it normally should crank. Alright, everybody, thanks for tuning in. I usually have this super simple gauge. Of course, you got resistance and drop between everything else, so it's like 14.3 at the alternator. It's like 14.12 over here because that's directly from the alternator. It's like 14.07 over there from drop on the wire, and then of course you've got all the wiring going throughout the truck, PCM, ECM, all that stuff going on. So you're never going to see exactly what's off the alternator. So I bought that for obviously that and the USBs, and then got a Prodigy here. I can go in here and go into troubleshoot. It's showing 13.9, 14 as well. So everything's reading as it should. I'm gonna close this one out and hopefully no more pickups out of it. That was really strange that the battery terminal was the cause of my problem for almost a no start yesterday, twice. But stuff happens. Catch you guys on the next one.